Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a what's in my bag for my coach Lillie Carryall. So I purchased this bag about a little over a month ago, and I told y'all that I was just so excited to have this type of bag in my collection, just because it's a little bit different than any other bag that I have, and I feel like it's a true medium-sized bag. And I'm really excited to share this. So I actually just got home from running errands. So I really wanted to show y'all what my bag looks like when, you know, right after I haven't cleaned it. I just got back from running errands. I ran to Target, ran to get my state inspection done. And so this is what it looks like what I normally carry. I will say that this bag carries so much more than I thought it could, and I'll go into details on that, but I just love it. And this has been probably my main go-to bag since I purchased it. I also purchased the Coach Cassie on the anniversary sale, so that one can hold a little bit less than this one. So for the most part I've been using this one, but I've been going back and forth between the two. If I just need to like run out and do something, I don't need to take a lot with me, I've been using the Cassie. But for the most part I've been using this bag because I love it. I love how I love the design. The colorway is beautiful. It can go with essentially any outfit. It can also dress any out, like you can wear it, you know, up or down, and it carries a lot. So let's go ahead and jump right in. So when I say that this is a true medium-sized bag, I can fit my 11-inch iPad Pro in here. And so when I have to go to my parents', I like to take my iPad with. When I go to the dealership, I take my iPad with, and then like I mentioned, just have my state inspection. It's just so much more compact. I can work on it. This is cellular, so I can access anything that I need, and so it's very nice to be able to carry this with me. You know, I can also read anything that I want, and so it fits so well in here. So from the side you can't really see it, but it fits perfectly, and it has like its own little compartment. That's probably the biggest reason why I love this bag, is because you can fit a lot more than you think you can, and I love it. So my iPad primarily goes in here, and then in the main compartment, which is the zip compartment, so there's these two sides, and then there's zip. There's also a back pocket, which is where my phone always goes, which again, y'all know I love that in my bag, or for my bags. But in the main compartment we have my car keys. So I ran to grab the mail, so they're like all out of sorts. So this is a Louis Vuitton 6 key holder. If you've seen any of my what's my bags, y'all know I use like the same things inside of each one. But here it is closed with the key inside of it. Got an air tag and my mail key in there. And then I have my wallet. So this is the Chanel card holder. This is the double card holder, so it has two slots. So I have my insurance cards, driver's license, debit cards, credit cards. Can't, you know, show too much. What I also love is that there's the back pocket. This fits cash in here pretty well, or you can put it in the back pocket. If I know like I'm going out or doing something, I'll put like the card that I know I'm gonna use here. So for example, if I'm going to Costco, then I'll put my Costco card here. Otherwise, it stays in this card holder, which is Louis Vuitton. I keep it on the side, and this just has all of my store cards just to store it. But if I know I'm going somewhere, then I'll put it in this main pocket and transfer it over. If I just think about it. If not, I just grab this one out of it. But that's in this pocket. Sorry, I know this one's kind of all over the place. I haven't done one of these in a while. And then I have my Gucci Cosmetic case. So this just has the essentials. So I have my lip balm, hand cream, purse spray, mirror. I believe these are the ones that I just always have on me. Also now, because it's summer, sunscreen. In the winter, I generally like keep this out because you don't need it as much. You do in Texas, but like I don't carry it with me because I like to reapply when I'm out and running errands. And then I have like all of these sample Chanel and Dior mascaras and lip balms, and even a little brush just to keep with me on the go, just in case I need a little brush up. And then I like using the samples on the go just because it makes it easier. I also like using them for travel because they don't take up much space. And then I can use the smaller key pouch or cosmetic case. So we have that. And that's everything that I have in there right now. And again, this is just what I normally carry with me. And then I have my sunglasses. So this is what I've mainly been keeping in my bags. I always keep my sunglasses in the case unless it's like a type of event where I can't bring the case, but I try and keep it in the case as much as possible, so I always want to make sure that the case fits. So that just stays here so I can easily take it out, put it back in whenever I need it. And then that is everything in the bag. Again, what I really love is that I can carry the iPad with, and then I can carry all of the items that I need plus more. So let's put everything back in and I can show y'all what I'm talking about. So I have my cosmetic pouch, and then card holder, other card holder, sunglasses, where are my keys? And keys. So if I want to bring my PM agenda with, right, my pocket agenda, I can easily slide that into pretty much any one of these compartments and it'll fit. If I want to bring another SLG, like I have my AirPods in a Gucci key pouch, that still fits too, and there's plenty of room to carry everything. I have my pencil pouch from Erin Condren with some pens. If I want to like bring my, bring that so I can plan, that fits really well. I can also put it, in the side. So I just feel like this bag is very deceiving on what it can hold. And yeah, other than that, that is what's inside my Coach Lillie. And that is going to be it for this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. And thank you guys so much for watching.